Have you ever wanted something so badly that you just couldn't wait to have it? Well, once upon a time, in a cheerful little village called Pennyville, there lived a young otter named Ollie. Ollie was playful, curious, and absolutely loved gadgets and games. One sunny afternoon, he saw something that made his eyes sparkle. A glowing ad appeared on the village screen. Only 200 glimmers for the brand new HoverZoom 3000, limited edition, Ollie gasped. I need that hoverboard. He rushed to his mom and asked, Mom, can I please have 200 glimmers? But his mom smiled gently and said, Ollie, money doesn't grow on trees. If you want it, why not try earning it yourself? You'll learn something magical. Ollie blinked. Earn it? How? And just like that, his adventure began. He stepped into the center of Pennyville, where villagers gave glimmers to anyone who helped out. The gardener asked him to water the flowers. The baker needed berries delivered. The librarian needed help stacking books. And every little task earned him some coins. They were called glimmers. Bit by bit, Ollie worked hard and saved. But earning money wasn't easy. It took time. It took effort. Still, he felt proud. He was learning his first big lesson. Money should be earned, not just asked for. One day, with 90 glimmers in his bag, Ollie passed a candy stall. Sweet rolls, just 30 glimmers, called Candy Cat. Ollie's tummy rumbled. His paws itched to buy some. But suddenly, a magical mirror appeared. It was called the Mirror of Needs and Wants. In it, Ollie saw two things, a toy robot and his old torn school bag. A soft voice from the mirror whispered, Needs are things you must have. Wants are things you like, but can live without. Ollie took a deep breath and chose to buy a new school bag instead. He was learning his second lesson. Always know the difference between needs and wants. Later that week, he met his friend Leo the lemur. Hey, Ollie, Leo said, do you want the hoverboard right now? Ollie's ears perked up. I'll give you 100 glimmers. Just pay me back 150 later. It sounded tempting. Ollie said yes. He finally had the hoverboard. He zoomed through Pennyville like a rocket. He felt like a hero. But the fun didn't last. Every day after school, he had to do more chores. He couldn't play. He had to pay Leo back. He owed more than he borrowed. That's when Ollie learned his third lesson. Debt feels heavy. It takes away your freedom. So, he made a choice. No more borrowing. Ollie returned every last glimmer to Leo. Then, he started earning again. He helped Turtle Tim paint fences. He read stories to the baby bunnies. He even fixed a few birdhouses. Little by little, his savings grew. And finally, he had enough glimmers, all earned by himself. Ollie held the shiny hoverboard in his paws. But now, he paused. Because he realized something. The real treasure wasn't the hoverboard. It was the feeling of working hard, making smart choices, and learning how to manage money. That was the treasure of smart spending. And Ollie? He became the wisest saver in all of Pennyville. Now let's learn some words Ollie discovered on his quest. Glimmers. These are coins, or money used in Pennyville. Earn. To get money by working or helping others. Needs. Things you must have, like books, food, or clothes. Wants. Things you like, but don't really need, like candy or toys. Save. To keep money instead of spending it right away. Debt. Money you owe someone and have to pay back. Interest. Extra money you pay on top of what you borrowed. Financial independence. Being able to take care of yourself with your own money. So the next time you see something shiny in a shop window, ask yourself, do I need it? Or do I just want it? And remember, always save before you spend. Choose wisely. And be the hero of your own Pennyville quest. You got this.